this age face more expenses than our parents. There's not even a question of how expensive things have become these days. Take our internet expenses, our travel expenses. Thus, it is necessary that you start earning even while you're studying. The major lot of students earn abroad when they are studying as well. Maybe to clear their education loan, to clear their student loan, or to take care of their other expenses. Thus, as a student, if it is your dream to earn while you're studying, then first, appreciate yourself. Because earning while studying is one of the best decisions a student can take. Most students contemplate whether they can manage both work and studies simultaneously. But let me tell you, time management is doable and a fixable problem. With that said, in today's video, I'm going to share a list of ways through which you can earn money even while you're studying. I'm Namita Pandey. Welcome to IndianMoney.com. Let's get started. So the first one is blogging and vlogging. So if you ask me how you can earn more money with less investment, then my answer would be vlogging and blogging. Why? Because A, the investment is very low. One can start with little effort. B, the scope of income is too high. Sometimes you can even earn more than a job. And lastly, you can choose or select any topic that interests you and you can work on that. So when it comes to vlogging, then you might not require expensive equipments. A smartphone will do. Or if you have affordable DSLR, then that will also work. In case if you do not own a DSLR camera, then smartphone will do most of the works. For you to start vlogging, you need to have a basic knowledge of editing skill. In case you don't know editing much, then don't worry. There are many apps out there that will do half of your work. So you can start your vlogging career by uploading your videos on YouTube and earning revenues on the ad that will play on your video. The second one is blogging. So you can see blogging as a source of your passive income. You can create your blog on platforms like WordPress, bloggers, etc. They will help you to create your blog, post blog, etc. For that, you need to first identify your set of target audience. Once you do that, then you can upload 30-40 articles and get traffic on your website. And then you can start earning money by setting up Google Ad Screen account wherein the advertisements will play on your websites, and that's how you can earn money. The second one is you can join or you can work at a store or a restaurant. While this trend is not quite popular in India, but you can still go for it and you can convince your parents that you need to earn extra amount and you can afford, so that you can afford for your extra expenses and that you don't have to any longer ask for extra pocket money. So you can work at eateries like McDonald's or any other eating outlets wherein you'll earn good amount of money. The third one is become a tutor. So if you're looking for cost-effective ideas with low investment or zero investment, then becoming a tutor is a good option for you. You can start with individual sessions or you can also go for a group session. You can put up flyers to attract people's attention in your locality or surrounding your locality. Other than the flyers, you can also use social media platforms to promote your classes. Trust me, social media can do wonders if you do the right thing. The fourth one is do online internship. So you can do online internships like content writing, proofreading, designers, etc. There are multiple online internships available today and you can search for freelancing options as well. There are people who are looking for candidates just like you and it does not require a lot of technicalities. So you can easily do this job and you can earn a lot of money by doing so. But before you start your internship, you need to make sure that you clear things about your timings and how much number of articles or content or designer you can provide your employee with. So this is one thing that you need to take care of. The fifth one is become a social media influencer. Today everyone loves to spend time on social media. So if you are among them, then you can spend time on social media and you can channelize it towards a positive activity. You will be doing the same thing, but in a set of rules and set of strategies and get revenue out of it. So if you're a college student, then you can simply create videos and content for different social media platforms. For that, you first need to identify your targeted audience and then create your own fan base or community. Once you do that, you can then approach businesses and then you can promote their brand to your audience. And that's the way you can earn money out of that. The sixth one is personal training. So if you're someone who is into health and fitness, then you can use this interest and earn money out of that. You can start personal training business with the help of your friends and also other students in the college. They'll also help you they'll assist you in getting you referrals who will be interested in your service. So firstly, you can start off with morning yoga classes, and later on in the evening you can conduct fitness trainings or fitness camps with a group of people. Now when it comes to investment here, then you don't have to worry about spending a lot of money. You don't have to rent or buy another space out there. Rather, you can use your college campus, or you can go to parks if you have a group of people. In case you're offering personal sessions, in such a case, you can also visit the client's home. The seventh one is develop apps. So if you're someone who is into coding, then you can take up this job and you can develop apps for someone. Or you can also develop apps for yourself and later on sell that on App Store. Now, there's one advice that I would like to give you, that do not go for fancy stuff, because people out there, mostly they require or they need help with basic stuff. Also, you can promote your app among your peers to get more businesses. The eighth one is delivery and transport service. So if you own a vehicle, then during a free time you can use that vehicle and earn good amount of money. You can either offer transportation services to the locals around, or you can also join transportation service companies such as Uber. Other than that, you can also offer delivery services by contacting the local businesses surrounding your areas. Or you can become a delivery partner with food delivery or also product delivery. Remind you that food delivery and service delivery partners are earning way more today. The ninth one is student photographer. If you're someone who is good at taking pictures and you know the concept as well as the functioning of ISO, shutter speed, etc., then photography is a very good option for you to earn money. You can simply post online ads inquiring about the requirements of photographer or photos of events, etc. Or you can also upload your pictures on websites as stock photos or images, and you can earn revenue out of that. The last one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is also known as grey point marketing or word of mouth marketing. Grey point marketing is a marketing method wherein the companies and people, they promote their product through people to people. So you can earn good amount of money via affiliate marketing. You can do it either offline or online mode. Now here basically you need to do is you need to share a particular link, product link on your social media handles, on your websites, etc. So as and how people go and click on that link and the sales product goes up, then that portion of the revenue will also be shared with you. So this is a very good method for you to earn money today online. So these were the simple 10 ways through which you can earn money while studying. If you're determined enough to do something while in college, then you might as well find plenty of options or ways through which you can earn money. One thing that matters here is that you need to work really hard. For more such financial content, you can download Financial Freedom app, wherein will teach you more about investments, business, agriculture, career building, etc. So hurry up and download Financial Freedom app and gain access to many such things. Also, before going, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified for our next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Get wise and break free.